So I just rented an entire movie theater for my company to showcase the work that we do from last year, and it was amazing. So this whole thing came about because my wife and I were checking out our local theater that just opened up in Hanover, and we were watching Avatar 2, which was an incredible movie, by the way. And I noticed in the lobby that they were advertising movie rentals where you can rent an entire theater for a birthday party and have a private screening for your friends and family. So I thought about it, and I was like, I wonder if they would let me create a custom video and show it to my employees. And they said yes, and they were incredible to work with, by the way. So thank you very much to the Hanover Crossing Movie Theater. They were just incredible to work with. And we did it, and it was honestly such an incredible experience. And usually what I would do at the end of the year, we always have a company meeting. We go over what to expect for next year and company policies and the work we have coming up and all of that. And I usually end that meeting with a 10 to 15 minute long highlight video showcasing all the projects we've done for that year. And I thought, okay, so they're gonna say yes, we're gonna get this video or private screening approved. So what can I make to really wow and inspire my team for the next year? And so I figured, instead of making just a regular highlight video, let's showcase almost all the work that we did that year in a movie fashion. So I made a custom little entrance trailer with me on camera thanking them, a little trailer, and then it ultimately led to all of our work and some of our funny internal videos there as well. And we got popcorn and soda and all of that. And it was honestly a really, really great time. And I know for me, it was super incredible to see all of our work on a big screen instead of usually just on a little computer screen. So I think it's super important for me at the end of the year with these meetings that I try to inspire my employees and showcase the amazing work that we do. We talk about those projects and learn from them to eventually keep leveling up for the next year. And so I really wanted this to be that, but just on a way different level. And I really think that we're able to get that done with this particular outing. We got lunch after, and it was really a great hit. So I think now, going forward, this will be sort of a yearly thing that we'll do. But again, if you're a business owner or you have a small team, or even for yourself, and you want to showcase your work in a different way, highly, highly recommend showing your work to a movie theater, to your employees or yourself. Honestly, for 2 hours, it was like $300, totally worth it. And it makes for a really great bonding experience. So with that, that's all I got. See you guys next time.